In a world driven by speed and efficiency, one company is redefining how businesses operate. At Prospero Dynamics, we create intelligent robots that don't just perform, they elevate experiences. From tech giants to healthcare leaders, we partnered with visionary brands to transform how they engage, serve, and scale. Even the highest offices of leadership witnessed our innovation, a moment that inspired our nation. We don't just build robots, we craft solutions for hospitality, retail, logistics, events, healthcare, and beyond.
Real impact, measurable results, a future led by intelligence and trust.
Prospero Dynamics, transforming businesses, one robot at a time.